Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a mystery unboxing, and this is a little, what's a bag? A bag of just mystery items for the summer that I purchased on the SAMANTHAS website. And you guys know, you guys have followed me, you guys know I love SAMANTHAS. I always do hauls for them. They have so many great things for such affordable prices, so I can't wait to see what's in the bags. I bought 2 of them. They were retailing for, supposedly they were on sale for $10. Well, they were selling for $10 and then they were on sale for $5. I don't know, I'm not judging, but they were $5 and I purchased 2 of them so I could do a mystery unbagging with my sister. And yeah, so I just wanted to film the intro because I don't know how the setup is gonna be, because my setup is not really great for 2 people, but we'll see how it goes. And if you're interested, just keep on watching. Hey, this is my sister Samantha, and like I said, we're gonna be unbagging the mystery bag from SAMANTHAS, and Samantha's gonna go first since she's our guest. So
it's cute. So first,
oh,
the nails.
We got some nails.
Those are cute.
Okay, so some nails.
They look like something probably like popped open down here, but we'll see. Then it's this lipstick.
Twist it. Let me see. Oh, it has a sticker on it. Well, it's a clean color. It's like a matte lipstick in the shade Brink Rose. Do you think you would wear that?
Yeah.
Yeah. It feels like a random thing to throw in here.
More nail accessories.
So it's like a bunch of stickers for your nails.
And then
they're kind of dirty though.
They are. That's yeah.
Okay.
Then
I thought that you were gonna like that. What is that?
It's a hairband.
Okay. Samantha's favorite color is blue, so yeah, looks cute. Would you wear that?
I'd wear it.
I think that would be cute, even with this shirt, with your hair in a ponytail. You just need to kind of. It looks like something was like a powder or something is in there.
We're gonna see right now.
Oh, it looks like a powder. Well then.
Open everything.
Okay.
Yeah, it broke.
Oh no! So her powder came broken.
I don't think. I think what it should have came in was in a bigger box, and they had a bunch of wrapping.
Yeah.
You know how when Jeffries or when Morphe comes, when they bring you stuff, they usually wrap it up.
You chose the most controversial brands right now.
You're not about it.
She also got this mineral loose shadow.
The good thing is loose shadow.
The shade Chance. Would you wear this shade? It's like a mermaid color.
I would.
It's cute.
Then you have this. It's called Paris Escape. It's a lip and cheek balm. I want to put it on my lip and my cheek. But anyway. Oh, cute. Look at it.
Smell it? We smell everything.
It smells clean.
So it's a balm?
Yeah, it's a lip. Right here. It says lip and cheek balm.
Oh.
So I don't know what it's supposed to do with your cheek. Maybe it's supposed to be a blush or something.
Yeah.
But
okay, so far 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items.
Oh wow, there's an earrings.
Earrings?
I think it's a necklace.
No, they're earrings. Okay.
That's cute.
They're interesting. Those earrings. It looks like they just put a bunch of random stuff that nobody wants.
Oh, look, eyeshadow.
Oh, this is the one that I got, the Princessa eyeshadow that I got rid of. This one's in 3. I don't like it, but you can use it as a highlight. Okay.
This is more.
Oh, and some earrings. Okay.
Earrings.
So what do you feel about this bag? I feel like the earrings look kind of cheap. It's just the ones that nobody wanted.
I feel like they could have packaged it differently.
Cause they always come out with these in the summer. So would you recommend people buy it with your bag, what you got for $5?
I wouldn't, only because I feel like it looks like a bunch of sample stuff.
Just a bunch of random stuff. Well, let me see what I got, and then if I got better stuff.
Why did you get the cute bag?
Oh no, cause you like blue. That's why I gave you that one. Okay, let me see what's in here. We could just trade if you like something. Okay. I feel like that bag is not that good.
I feel like it should have been packaged differently. If it's supposed to be a surprise. Okay. Oh look.
So the first thing I got,
that's the full size,
a lip gloss.
You got the mini,
and
the fun size.
I don't know if you guys can see that because I can't see if it's focused, but it's a Cleanista lip gloss, and I haven't seen this on their website, so I don't know, but it looks like a nice color. It's in tea rose. I'm not gonna open it. Okay, so it's that one.
Yeah, let's watch it.
I got this like headband, which I
cute.
already have a bunch of headbands, so you could have that one if you want.
This is really cute.
It's like for makeup, so that's cute.
That is cute.
I also got a mineral loose eyeshadow, but mine is in the shade
I'm thinking it's the same thing.
Connection. No, yours is different. Yours is light. So Samantha's is like a light mermaid color.
Oh, this one's called Chance.
This one's like a blue. I don't really use loose powders, loose eyeshadows. Ooh, cute! I love earrings. I got these earrings here. I'm excited about these. Like these earrings here, I bought them on the website for $1. Ooh, cute! You can have these if you want.
I don't work.
They have like little like emojis on the bottom. That's cute. Ooh, I got a nail polish. That's cute. I like these nail polishes. This one's in Hottie.
Yeah.
It's a weird color, but that's cute for the summertime. I feel like my bag. What the heck?
How much was that one?
It's the same, $5. So I don't know, but do you think yours would have been better if the powder would have burst open?
Probably.
Like you think you would have thought? I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Actually, I actually wanted this when I went on their website for the first time. It's like a little eyeshadow palette, and I think it comes with like 4 colors in there or something. I remember I wanted this, but it was sold out. But you could have it if you want.
Oh,
It's cute. It's like a everyday kind of. Oh, and it comes with the mirror down here.
That is cute.
It's like perfect for like travel. I guess like we're not gonna be able to travel soon. But that's cute, just to throw on and go. And you could do like a smoky look.
That'd
So
be
you could
cute.
have this one if you want.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice. It's like a little. Isn't that cute for like traveling?
It is.
Because you could just throw it in your bag. And then it looks like I got the same thing. I got some nail stickers, which I don't really use. But yeah, I guess I could try them and see. But we got this like colorful one and some with music notes. You wouldn't try these? Yeah.
Well, I work a lot and I have to wash under my nails a lot. So
okay, and I also got a powder, and it looks like it may be broken, but it's by Clean Color. What shade did you get? I got walnut.
dark almond.
They just send like a random shade. They don't even know what I
shouldn't.
am. Okay, well this is the shade.
Let me see.
What is this? A foundation? It's a pressed powder. Oh, I guess you could use this as a bronzer. But that's the shade there. It's like pretty dark. I think I could use this as a bronzer though, so. And it comes with a mirror. This is like super bulky. Oh, because it has a sponge at the top.
I don't
That's
think
random.
it's worth it. I mean,
And now it broke. What the heck? Okay, well it broke. Okay. Okay, so this is my bag. So what are you gonna keep? So I'm gonna keep my earrings, the ones that I got. I think these are cute. I could keep the Princesa powder if you don't want it.
how does it look?
It's just like a loose powder, a loose
So it's just
eyeshadow.
there like that.
It's a loose shadow. It's like that one, but it's like supposed to be shimmer.
Oh.
Supposedly. Oh yeah, I thought I said it wrong. I mean, I decluttered it, so I don't know. You could try it and see what you think about it. I think I'm gonna keep the lip gloss because I use it for videos and stuff.
Oh wow. So this is not cute.
No, but that color looks nice though. I mean, you could swatch it. Let me see how it looks. Because I mean, you could still. Oh
Wow,
no!
this is really. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest, and I hope I don't get dragged for it. It's cheap.
Yeah, it looks like they just threw a bunch of random stuff. Like the nail polish, I think I'm gonna use.
Don't get me wrong. It's cute. I like the idea that I like this idea that it comes in a little like bag, but
Like, would you think that your stuff is perfect for summer? Like the
no.
I mean, this is cute.
Okay, this is cute. I'm not gonna lie. This is really cute. I would get it. I would actually use it. I am gonna use it.
I mean, I don't know if it was worth $5.
It wasn't, cause how much was it? Plus shipping and handling and stuff like that.
I don't even know, like 12, 13.
It's not worth it.
Like the shimmer thing, I'm not gonna use this. Like I already know I'm not. It's a mineral powder, a loose eyeshadow. Like no, but I'm gonna keep it.
And then like with all this makeup,
I mean, that's
flopping
cute.
around, it is cute. I'm gonna keep it. But with all this makeup flopping around, like I'm like, oh, I gotta wash it. Like I don't want to
Yeah.
wash it. You know what I mean?
This is cute. I think I'm gonna use it as a bronzer and see like what I think. The sticker things, I'm not gonna use this. I think, or maybe just to try them out, but I don't like these sticker things for the nails. So overall, I don't think it's worth it. Like, I wouldn't say if it comes back on, I think it's sold out, but it's not worth $5.
How do you put on loose powder?
Or maybe
eyeshadow?
for like somebody who doesn't have makeup, like a little kid, like a teenager or something. Would you buy that for a teenager?
Yeah, because it's cute and they'll be
Yeah.
appreciative of it. But since we
Like this,
old.
I don't know. I like earrings from the SAMANTHAS website. I always purchase them. Like I said, the ones I'm wearing are from there. But these, I don't know.
Let me
Like
see.
in there, they just look like kind of cheap.
Let's see how they look.
I mean, these look interesting.
Oh, maybe
They're
if
just
you
so
take it out of the
cheap.
package, maybe it's a little different. Oh,
How do they look?
I see wearing them.
Okay, but look at the quality though.
Yeah, it looks
They
like
look kind of like they're worth like 50 cents or something.
they look like, you know, when people are sitting in the street. Those are.
Yeah. So they're not. I mean, these are yours.
I mean, I don't want.
I
them.
mean, the ones that I got, I think are pretty good. Except the emoji ones look kind of cheap. But like these, yeah. I think I'm gonna wear these. These are cute.
Oh, look.
That's probably like this is like the only thing that I think was like the best thing in here for me.
Let me see.
The earrings.
No. But
Okay.
other than that, you can keep those.
I
I don't want them. I'm.
Okay, well, I'm keeping this. I thought it was gonna be better stuff.
I'm keeping.
So she's only keeping like the headband stuff and the little shadow and the.
shimmers.
Well, try this out and see if you like it.
Well, how does it look?
It's like a loose powder. Okay, well, overall, I don't recommend it. I'm kind of sad that I spent. Well, it was fun unbagging it though. Well, at least we got to do like a fun video with it. But I don't think it's worth it. I wouldn't recommend it at all. I don't think it's worth $5. But it was fun to see it. I mean, I just recently got a Beauty Creations mystery bag box, and I thought that was pretty good. Yeah, but that was like $25. But that's like worth it. I feel like this bag for $5 was not worth it.
It's not worth it. Wow,
Yeah,
this is
that thing
really
I decluttered it from my collection.
Well, where in your eye are you gonna put it? Like, it's too shiny for your eye.
I don't like it. It's just like too loose. It's just too
Powdery.
much. Yeah, no.
mm.
Well, it was fun filming it, but yeah, like we said, it's not worth it. Don't purchase it.
It's cute. I mean, if you have a kid and they're learning about
Oh yeah,
makeup,
for kids it's cute.
and you know, you could like buy them little, like, it comes with a bunch of stuff you can try
Yeah.
for your kid, but I mean, it's not worth it.
Yeah,
I don't
we
think
didn't get
it's worth
anything.
it.
I mean, the most exciting thing was the earrings and maybe the nail polish, but that's it. And Samantha's stuff came kind of broken.
Kinda. Like, it was like.
And you didn't even get to choose a shade. They just threw in a random shade in there. Yeah.
Go blow dry my hair.
Well, Samantha's gonna leave to blow dry her hair because she dyed it.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. We made it to the end.
Bye.
Bye. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. I'll have my socials as well as Samantha's socials down below. And let me know what you think of the stuff that we got. We got a lot of great goodies today. I'll link the SAMANTHAS website down below if you want to check them out. They have such great things on their website. I just can't stop buying stuff. So yeah, definitely check them out. They have such great things. Don't forget that I upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore and high-end. So if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person. You make your own decisions. But it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.